Hello my dear students, in this video my students are going to debate and the topic is quite interesting and the topic is government school versus private school. So there are two teams, one team is going to support government school and another team is going to support private school. So let's start.
Hello friends, I am Arjit and I am from Sripur and today we are going to debate here and we have got topic private school versus government school and we are supporter of government school.
Hello friends, I am Rohit and I am from Katsa. Today we are going to debate here.
Hello guys, I am Anish and I am from Katsa.
Hello guys, I am Kaushik and I am from Katsa.
Hello everyone, this is Tanu and I am from Sasna.
Hello everyone, this is Sapna and I am from Karsha.
So hello guys, I am Subham and today we are going to debate here and we are supporting a private school.
Hello everyone, I am Anka and I am from Karsha.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi and I am from Katsa. Hello everyone, I am Mansi and I am from Katsa.
Hello everyone, I am Neha and I am from Karsha.
I think that government school is so much better than private school because we all know we live in rural area and in rural area we don't have enough money for taking admission in private school. That's why I am saying government school is better and also in government school we can study in free and our government gives us money for a cycle, for books, for pen, they give in free. So that's why it's so much better than private school and it's also so much biggest thing for our poor families and poor children. So it's my opinion.
Yeah, and in government school we also get like if we have to study. So instead of going in private school, we can also go in government school. Because you know that if we go in private school, so there will be the need of so much money and it's not possible to all the peoples. Because now we are the people from middle class and I think that we don't have enough money for paying the bill of private school. So in that situation we have to attend we have to go in government school and there we also get good education.
I think that in government school, the means a student of government school, they bunk the classes. I have seen they jump from the walls and they go in our home and they eat and they do everything, but they don't they miss their classes. I have seen that.
You know, just because of it, you are saying that you have seen and you know in private school as well. Also students don't do like this just because of teachers beat them so much and just because of it they get mentally pressure and they get so much thing that they can't get nap in night time, they don't able to sleep.
How can you say that? In a government school, teacher always beat the children without any kind of reason. If any student do the mistake, so all the group get the punishment. Why?
Just because of making good, it's called discipline, and just because of making understand to students how you have to how you have to stay here. Just because of it teacher beats them and just because of making them understand that you are doing wrong thing and you don't need to go that side.
In a private school, the teacher beat, but don't so much. In a government school, how the teachers beat
for making your life good, just because of it.
And in a private school also, listen to me. In a private school, we all know that how in a private school, so many children don't study. But in a government school, we all know that in a one class, we I think more than 100 students they teach, and so we cannot study good because here all the students does so much mistakes and fun, so we can't study in government school. But in a private school, we all know that in private school we can study well.
And you know one thing that without fun our class would be so much bad, and without fun it would be like we are dumb and we are studying.
So fun only for a limit, not all the time. In a government school, listen to me. In a government school, in a class, always the student does the fun, but don't study.
How can you say that?
I can say that.
You know from government school how many IAS and how many people are in big position.
And you know, in English, students of private school also go in many things like IS, IPS,
And you
doctor,
know-
collector.
You know, just because of it,
I have seen.
you have seen, I know, but you know, in from government school, I think that the percentage of that people's like private school students, it would be so much high. And you know, if we say to them that
And one thing-
you know, and let me complete. If we say to them like private school students, please take the exam of 10th class from Bihar board, from government school. So I think that they can't get so much marks. It's has proved, and I also have seen this thing.
And I have
And even they have scored in private school like 90 plus. But now if they take the exam of a government school, so they get only 50 plus.
And you know,
Let me speak. I want to put my point. I think that private school is good because in private school we get good education, and also as you said that now government school is good for poor people, and you know nowadays also poor people send his a student, I mean that children in a private school, because in private school we get good education. And now all, and I am rich and you are poor, so now you will not see that I am a poor, because you have to
So why the percentage of government school students is getting up?
you know
Why?
why? You know why? Because in government school a student don't want to study, and you can see just because of it.
So in the private school they are teaching,
Yeah.
and they are you are getting knowledge, good knowledge.
Yes. Just
You
because
know they are only wasting your time, and they are only
No. Here,
robbing
first,
you.
you know, in government school, the teacher best their time, because you know only they use phone, they talk with each
How
other.
can you say that?
I can say I have seen that.
and you know, in private school, it is not allowed to go with your mobile phones.
And have you seen? And if you will, if you will not have phones, you
In private school, boys take their phone and they go in schools.
In a government school also it happens. I have seen already.
But in private school also, the boys and the girls take their phones to the school.
So why in a government?
For making the videos, for chatting.
Not in the student life. You know, in a government school, only children want to enjoy, but don't study well. In a private school, we can also enjoy, and as well.
Listen.
We can get good knowledge as well.
Listen, before a private school, there was only government school, and many people like our PM Narendra Modi, he is also studying from government school. So how can you say that he is from he can't he is only enjoying that?
But now private school
You
is
can
very
see.
much better than government school.
Yeah,
Nowadays it is
So
better.
earlier there
And
was
you
no
know-
any kind of private
and you know,
school.
Okay, now, but now time the private school is very better than
And now you
government
can
school.
see the Narendra Modi. He is our prime minister.
Yes, but
and,
not all
and whatever
students.
he takes the decision,
But
it's too
listen.
much right. And he has taken he has completed his classes from government school.
we all know
Not
that,
from private
but you know in government school, if a student will not give exam, so they can pass to their class.
Nobody, it's not
No,
happens.
but listen
It's
me,
not-
I have
it's
always
happens.
all
It happens.
students
It happens.
listen to
It
yeah,
happens.
it's happened with
It's
me.
hap-
It's happened
It
with
happens
me.
in 10th
Yeah.
class, 12th class.
I'm not saying
It
that.
happens or not?
It's happened with me. I'm
It
not
happens
saying.
in
I'm
10th
not
or
saying that
10th or 12th. It
10th.
happens or not? Firstly say.
You know, if you will give exam of 12
You know,
and
it's
then,
only
then you
it's
will
only
pass.
happens in private school. Now you can see in our village as well. Without not our village, I will not go personally. In so much school, without giving the final exam, they have passed in 10th class. And if we talk
I'm
about
not talking about all
let me complete. If we talk about our government school, so there will be no any kind of name like we get promoted in 10th class. There will be no any kind of name.
And you know, in a suppose that in a teacher of government school, they don't know how to teach English. If you will write of let me say and you have seen, first listen me, have you seen the student of government school, they bunk the classes, have you seen?
But in private school
And
also.
there are no
But in
rules.
private school also.
How can you say that? If they will bunk, so
First listen
teacher
me,
will be
the student of government
to
school,
their parents.
bunk
So-
the
so-
classes.
And
They will
there are
complain,
no
is it?
rules
Then
and
why
regulations in
they
government school, I
bunk
have
in the
seen.
school? Why they bunk the school?
But you know, in also in government school.
Yeah, I know.
Listen to me.
I know.
The government
But the
student private
but the
school
children,
say
but the
to
student
their
who don't
parents,
want
now
to.
I'm going to
Let me put
let
my
me
point.
speak. And now I'm going to school, but they always bunk the classes and wandering anywhere,
But
join anywhere.
But they also get the punishments.
But it is
No,
not
in a
for the
government school, the teacher don't call the parents. But in private school, if the any student
But
do
in the-
this kind of thing, so they call the parents, and you know the parents beat them.
But in the PTM, in government school, during PTM, teacher complain this type of things, and they put this discipline, their
So
manners
it
in the
also
report
happens
card.
in private school already. You know, in
Yeah.
a PTM, the also parents come and teachers say to their mistakes about. So in front of everyone, the parents say to them, you can't do this kind of things.
And in private school, the student during the exam, the student do a lot of cheats.
You know, in a government school,
In a government school,
No.
many
you know,
children
everyone take the cheating, means do the cheating, and also if the teacher see the student is doing cheating, but they don't say to anyone.
No, they,
It
direct-
happens. It happens.
In government-
Don't say.
If we talk about teachers, no one have a degree of teachers in a private school. But in a government school, they have passed their
Yeah, just
BA,
because of it, they
BA.
don't know how to write in name and
They have
this kind
passed.
of thing.
That person who has completed B.Ed and you're saying that they are not able to write ABCD.
And that person, they
You
have
know-
passed intermediate. They
so
they know all the things.
if they don't have a degree, so how to teach in private school?
because
they only have passed like 12th.
Yeah.
You
And
know,
they are only
the government
graduated.
teacher,
And nowadays,
give the
nowadays,
corrections and then
student
take a degree.
taking
Nowadays
place
only it happens.
How can you say?
I can say that.
So they are wrong.
I want
They are
to-
wrong. They
I
are
want to
wrong.
put my
Yeah.
point.
yeah.
So actually, as I believe that government school is too much better for us, because it doesn't matter that we are poor or rich, because we both can we can both do the study in government school, and also we can see in exam time if we don't have money, so we can also took the exam for in government school. But in private school we have to pay the exam. After that we can take our exam. So if we are in bad condition in our exam time, so we can easily take our exam. But in private school it's not possible.
Yeah, as she has said that we had to pay our fees before the examination. So in the private school, if we are not paying our fees, then they directly suspend us, and they told us that first pay the fees and then come to school for your examination. And suppose that if you are in a bad condition, you are in a bad financial condition, then what you will do in that time?
You can, we can simply say to our school principal, we can simply say that now it is my bad condition. So simply principal will understand.
No. In private school, this doesn't happens. They don't understand the feelings of the family members, of the parents.
Why they will understand? Because all parents, children are take classes, take study in their school. So why they will not understand in now I happened with me in bad condition.
as I am also from the private school, so I had seen that for leave, for personal reason, they don't give us leave.
But I had also taken classes in the private
So
school.
I have a question that if in private school you took so much good education, so why you left from that school?
You know, because at the time I had some reason, because at the time I had to go from in Raigad to, just because of my name in private school, my name at the time my name is has cut, so just because of it I have to take admission in government
So
school.
when you came again here, so why you didn't take admission in that school?
Because after I think after 3 or 4 years I was coming here, that's why.
So you could also take the admission also that day.
But you can't go personally, because this is at the time I had some reasons.
Yeah.
And I want to put my opinion.
As all the students said that if we take admission in private school, so at the time we have to pay money for admission. You can also see in government school. In government school, the teacher take money.
Teacher take money?
Yeah.
How can you say that?
I can say because
Can you make me see where is written?
yeah, I can see now a student take admission in a
In any kind of paper, there will be no
as you
no
said that
no
they have a
mention of
right in
money.
any kind of but nowadays take money.
So
And you know, you can't take admission in a
and you know, one point is here as well, that if we are studying in private school, so means per year, every year the book of private school is getting changed, and just because of it, every year we have to purchase new books. And if we talk about government school, so in government school the books are same, and books are that which I had early.
Hey,
And
listen to me.
let me complete. And if we want to learn further, so we can borrow, means we can take books from our seniors. But in private school it's don't happens, because every year books get changed, and just because of it we have to purchase it.
Yeah,
You know-
suppose that you want to take admission in private school, then you have to pay the advance fees, the dress, the uniform of the school is very expensive, books, bag, etc. What you
I want
need
to
for
put
that.
one opinion.
So just wait, I have let me to complete. So you have to invest a lot of money. So suppose that a middle class family who want to give the admission to their children in a private school, then how they will apply this type of things?
Actually, I want to say that as Anish said that if we take admission in private school, so you know, if we will take admission, so we suppose that I am in one standard and I am saying that I have to take admission in 5, but they don't give you admission in 5 standard. But in government school, if you want to take admission in 8, so you can take, because it's
So it's not happen.
Let's
You
listen.
know,
There are rules and
So
regulations in private
before taking,
It is
No,
not.
there are rules
Yeah,
and
yeah,
regulations.
It is not.
And you are saying that the books and that are expensive.
Yeah,
So
a lot
why
are expensive.
Okay,
It is
means
part
that
of-
is
you know,
expensive.
you know-
Okay, first listen me. You are saying that the books are expensive and every year the books are changed. You know why? Because we get every year we get extra knowledges and
You know why? That the same class, means now in this year this book is suppose that you have this whatever, means you have that book, and the next year it will change, and if you stay in same class, so you have to purchase new books.
so they will give us extra book because
No, it's not happens. You
But
have to
listen-
purchase.
yeah, we have to
If
purchase it because
if you are studying in
because
same
every
class
year-
from
okay,
2
listen
years,
me.
so you have to change your
so
book.
listen me na that you will
But in government school we don't need to change.
yeah, government provide us everything. Government also
But not
provide us
provide-
midday
yes,
meal.
but not just
Government
like
also
education
provide us
and
midday meal, book,
in a rural
uniform.
area, we can't get the I can say because the students whole class, then how can they
It's
pass?
part of a student.
Also, I am a student of government school.
You are the student.
But
of
this
government
doesn't
school.
happen with all. Some students who are very naughty, who make the mischiefs, they only do this type of thing. They only bunk the school. But who want to study, they study in government school and they
And
become
it's not
they become
depend-
what they want.
And
It's
the
not
teachers
depend
of
on-
private, the teachers of government school, they are also not active whole day.
How can you say this? How
They
can you
only
say
sit and
this?
say right the
Teacher
table
of
and give it to me.
government
I
school,
will
they
see
don't
it is
care
like
about
I have
that a student
No,
do this
no,
thing,
it's
and
it's not
if any student quarrel, so they don't care.
So,
And
you know, in government school we have 8 subjects. So in government school we have 8 teachers for teaching us, and how can you say they don't care? And you are saying about fault of students. So
Yeah,
it's fault of
and in
students.
private schools,
It's not a fault of-
Private school also for all subjects, all the teachers are available.
Yeah, so they care about our education, and he was saying that she was saying that they don't care. So I am saying it's fault of students. It's not fault of teacher. If I am doing wrong in the school and teacher doesn't know about me, so how can he teach me, make me understand? So it's fault of students.
You know, in a government school means there are so many students like 100, 120. So at a time in a class, all the class means in a whole class, all the students are sitting, and the teacher don't know backbencher what are they doing, the backbencher, and the backbencher doing so much means they use their phone. They only talk with their friends, means they don't care about their study. So at a time the teacher are not able to go in means that at a time the teacher are not able to go in on a bank venture. So at a time the teacher don't care that student.
and the student.
You know, it's not a fault of teacher, it's a fault of student, and you can't say that.
How can you say
it's
that it's not a
you-
fault
But
of
listen me,
teacher?
listen me,
It's
listen
a
me.
fault of teacher because if
No,
the
How
school
can
no,
you,
you can-
can you explain? Can you explain?
yeah, if the room will not big, so how can the student will sit
And
in a perfect way?
in same situation, if the private school, so teachers can go.
Yeah.
Also go because you know they are
Teachers
teacher
can go
make-
after jumping. Teachers can go after jumping.
You know,
Why
in
jumping?
private school, all means we have a discipline. We have to sit in a one bench. There will be the 2 students will sit.
Yes.
This is rule.
And suppose that there will be 100 and 500
Then no,
students. So
when they make their admission that student, so they will manage at the time. And if it will be not managed, so at the time they can divide the section as well.
Yeah. So this also happens in government
No,
school.
it's not happen. It's
And
not.
this
I have
happens.
seen. It's not happen.
it happens, buddy. It's
And
happens.
in
You can
government
happen.
school, teacher and student also, they don't care about uniform and shoes because in a
private school, we all live in a
I want
You
to
see,
my
you see,
opinion.
you
I
see in
want to- Yeah,
government school, they
because-
are not
yeah,
because
yeah.
just because of it, all the students are wearing clothes.
No,
And
I have seen
means-
that if any student don't wear uniform, so they teacher of private school, they far from class, they said that you will come tomorrow because they don't wear a uniform. That's why. And if government school, if they don't wear, so they think that no, so it's today's rent, so that's why.
Yeah, because the government school teachers understand our feeling.
No, but it's for all day.
And you know what's the level of government school study? You know, students who pass the exam of 10th or 12th from the government school, he can teach the students of CBSE board. He can teach the students of private schools. But a students who pass the exam 10th or 12th from the CBSE, he can't teach the students of BSCB board.
So the teacher of government school, they can teach.
They can.
You know,
They can.
If I passed my examination from Bihar board, so I can easily teach the students of CBSE board. But students who pass the examination from CBSE, he can't teach me. You know why? Because the education level of Bihar board, it's too much. I can say state board, it's too much high. And also you can see the condition of teacher of private school, they get so much less salary, but in government school the teachers also get a high salary and they also teach the students in a good way.
You know why? Because the government sent.
You know why? Because
Hey, listen to me, Tanvi,
but
listen.
because let me complete. You know why? Because the private school of the teachers, they passed only 10th or 12th.
No.
Because of it they get less
You
salary. And you know why the government school teachers get high salary? Because they pass the examination
No,
of the teachers. After
It's
that
not
they get
right because
How
you
can
know,
it's
I
not,
can say
if it's not right?
government send money for a student, but they
No,
don't give.
and also the salary of the teacher, you can say the high school, if you are a principal of high school, so you can get salary
And you know,
I think maximum 1 lakh.
Government send money for a student
you know,
for wandering anywhere like a Patna.
so they also wondering.
Listen to me. They don't.
No, it's not true because it's they
true
use
because-
their money.
From last 3 and 4 years, government is not sending any kind of money for roaming students.
Yeah, because the condition of our country is
Not
nowadays
country,
it's
our state.
yeah, our
Okay,
state is
Tanvi, let me speak.
Yeah, you know, as you said that about what do you say? Means you said that about the government school means teacher get high salary. You know why? Because the teacher doesn't teach the student, and
So
they
you
and they
you are
can
saying-
also enjoy, and
you
they
want
can
to say
take
that,
the high salary.
You know,
but the
because
government
you
will
know
not come in
why they get high salary? Because of their knowledge. Because if you have so much knowledge, if you have so much talent, so you can get you can get high salary.
Okay, like I have a question for you. If the teacher is doing some bad thing in a class, they using phone, so the government will not come. They are teaching or not, it's not.
So also it's happened with private school.
It's not
No,
happened
it's
in a
happened with private school. It's happened with private school. Because I also met the
You know,
students of
teacher
private. Because I also
teacher
met the
doesn't
because I also
teacher
met the
they can
students of
get
private
the
school.
high salary, but in private
Because
school,
of their
they-
talent. Because of their talent.
not talent, it's
Talent.
not called talent. Who use phone?
Okay, so if you didn't crack the exam of if you don't crack the exam of a teacher, so how can you get the job of teacher? But if you pass the exam of 10th or 12th, so easily you can get the job in private school. So getting the job in private school is not too much big
So,
thing.
okay, let me
And
put my
also
let me
job
put
in
my
government
point.
school, it's not simple. Means it's too much simple, because nowadays whomsoever want to get the government job in a school, so yeah, they have to do so much hard work, but not for examination. Instead of giving examination, they do corruption. They
Now there is no any kind of vacancy for government school.
you know, for going in a government school, the teacher give a corruption for their
it's
job.
not true, it's
And
not
it's
true.
you know only if they also give corruption, so there will be no for lifetime. They only stay for 5 years, 6 years.
Yeah, because also
No,
you can,
now I have seen, the teachers,
And you know why?
they get the
you know,
job, they
you know,
get the
let me
job for
complete.
teaching
Let
the
me
class,
complete.
because
While
as
teaching
student.
while teaching students, they also complete their examination, and after that they get job for lifetime.
yeah, and also if they get as you said that corruption, so you know also you don't know about the new rule of government. Also, I think government take the exam of teachers.
Okay, Tanudi, I have a question for you. You know, in a government school, we all know that we get a high salary as well, and means we get a lifetime job. But one day we have to
So also we can
Yeah.
get pension. We can get, because that
But
is a
in
government
private
job.
school we can't get pension.
Yeah, after lost our job, we can't get money from
But
private
we
school.
have
But
to
in
talk
private school,
about-
we can get the money.
we have to talk about education,
Put your
not
point. Put your
pension.
point.
Khushi, wait a just. I didn't know that every whomsoever is studying private school, and their parents only for saying that my children go to in private school, and they don't care about their future. Do you know that why and how? Actually, when whomsoever is studying private private school. So first of all, that student have to do LKG, UKG, nursery. After they get in admission first standard, and when till completing their intermediate and matriculation, after that the age limitation that a student is so much high, and they can't do government job.
Yeah, and also
jobs,
that is the,
like army
and also that
and
is the
SSC.
senior.
You know what? And the limitation of doing the job is army is only 125, and that student cross their 21st, 22, so they can't do army like this. So you know what? And when I talk about the student of government school, so they have so much experience, and experience is too much important in our life, for our education, for our information. So, and whomsoever is study in private school, so they have only completed their intermediate and matriculation, and they have no any types of experience to how to study and how to treat that students. So they have no any.
So you are talking.
Please listen to me.
Okay.
So they have no any types of experience, and you know what? Whomsoever gives tuition to any types of any students, so they always teaching in the government school, not in private school, because everywhere in every private school I have seen that every student belongs to only intermediate, completed their intermediate, and they have no any types of degree for information like DLED, BTech, and after completed your DLED, B.Ed, BTech and CTED as well, so you can teach in government school. And whenever has a need to any types of some money, and whenever has a physical problem, so go to in any type private school, and they get jobs.
So Sapna, you want to say those students are taking classes in private school, they have no experience. So you can see my condition. I have also taken class in private school, I think 5 years or 6 years, but I am only 15 years old and I have done my intermediate. So how
Because in mid-time you had left from your private school, because of it now you are here.
No,
Because of you are here. Otherwise you are in I think 8th or 9th in private school. In mid-time you had left from your class because of it you are here.
when I was taking class in private school, so at the time I have a very knowledge of English and very knowledge of any subject, so that's why I have taken in I think that I don't remember, but
So you know why you are here, because in mid-time you had left from your school, because of it you are here. Otherwise you will now you will be I think 8th or 9th standard in private school.
No.
Yeah, it's right. You can count your
by firstly and by last, and you complete your intermediate, so your age limitation crossed 24, 22 and 23, and you have to join army.
And also so many jobs. There are so many jobs.
And you know what? You are saying that whomsoever is studying government school, so they have no good information. So how can get jobs in army, SSC like this?
And do you know what? And I am passed up intermediate exam, and I am teaching up intermediate school. How it's possible? I can give them good education. Let me understand.
yeah, so also I am also
In a government in a private school, always it's happened. I am passed up intermediate. I am passed up 8th class, and I am teaching of 10th class a student.
in
So
private school.
Yeah, in
you
private
can say private school.
Yeah, in a private school. I have seen so many times.
And also, you know, you can take the example. I also teach the students of CBSE board.
But not a private school.
That is a private school. CBSE board is private.
But not
No,
in
no.
private school. You are.
I give them tuition. You know why? Because
You are giving tuition
You
on
know
your
why?
home, not in private school.
You know, I can
But
get in
it is
because I
private.
have offer that I can join the private school, because one student said that you can if that student says to that teacher, my tuition where I get the tuition, she is so much good in English, so the teacher said that I can join their course, but I didn't join. You know why? Because in coach from my tuition I get so much money. So because of it, I can also teach them. But one students who pass the exam of 10th, 12th from the CBSE board, he can't teach me.